Is MoneyTurn app really a way to earn every minute just by playing games, and in addition to that also earning completely passive just by having the app installed, or is it a waste of time? My name's Michael and I've tested hundreds of different ways to make money online, and many viewers have asked me about this app, so I decided to test it, and in this MoneyTurn app review I'll give you an inside look and show both the pros and the cons. And let me reveal right away that you can potentially earn, but you really need to know all the details before you start downloading and using this app. So before I log in and show you how you can earn inside MoneyTurn, let's go over who can join, because MoneyTurn is an app you can download through the Google Play Store. So it's only for Android devices. So that means that if you have an iOS device and you want to earn, you should use other options. I have a video about iOS options. I'll leave a link in the top corner so you can check that out. But other than that, it's available in a lot of different countries. I don't know exactly which countries. From what I've been able to find out, more or less all countries, but there might be a few countries where it's not available. But the only way to really find out if it's available for you or not is to just go to Google Play. If you see it there, you can download it and you can start earning. If not, then it's not available for you and you need to find other options instead. But anyways, let me now then just log in, pull it up on the screen, and then show you how to earn, and we'll also talk about whether it's then worth it or not. So I have now logged into the MoneyTurn app, and if you've used other playtime apps where you can earn by playing every minute and things like that, it will look very familiar. But MoneyTurn also has an extra way to earn that I haven't really seen before. They call it invest, because they sell the whole app as a way to also invest, and you can potentially earn passively like that. We will talk more about that, but let's start by the way to earn by playing, because you need to use this option to potentially earn passively with the other earning method they have. So you just logged in, and then you scroll through, you see the games, you see here how many coins you will earn per minute. You would click play now, it will open up the App Store, you download it, and then you will just access it through the MoneyTurn app, and then it will track you play, and every minute you play you will get paid. Just be aware that, for example, this one, it says 15 minutes per or 15 coins per minute, but that's only when you first start. That will go gradually down. You will have to play longer and longer to get coins. So that's why if you decide to use this app after watching this video, you need to regularly download new games. But overall, it does not give a lot of coins, but that doesn't really matter if they're worth a lot. But no, we'll talk more about the value of that in just a bit. First, we need to talk about the other earning method that MoneyTurn offers, what they call invest, because I haven't seen that in an app like this before. So at the bottom, you can see this little icon you can click, and then you get to this invest section, as they call it. But in reality, it's just the coins that you earn you will have here until you take them out. But if you keep them here, you see the more you play, the different levels you will get, the more interest you will earn. And then I believe it's once a week or so they will like accumulate this, and you will earn a certain amount. And then right now, as of recording this video, if I just kept it like this, I would earn 5 coins. But if I play more, I will potentially earn more percentages, as you can see, and I will earn more coins, so I will earn higher, and then I will get these coins just by having coins standing here. So in a way, it's a way for them to try to keep your earnings here instead of cashing out. And it's an interesting system, but it's also a little bit weird, because why are they interested in you waiting to cash out? No, that's just something that's a little bit weird for an app like this. But it's an extra way to earn passively if you like to use this app and this game anyways, but it's not an effective way to earn because the coins are not worth a lot. But let's then talk about that, the value of the coins and how you can get paid. So I now jump to the payout section, and you can see there are the different payout options where I live. This might vary, or this will vary from country to country. Also, the payout options will vary, but I can, for example, get paid via PayPal. You can see this is the currency where I live. This is equivalent of around 50 cents. So it's a very low payout threshold, which is definitely great. And I'm very close to reaching it. As you can see, I need 5,000 points, 4,999 to get paid 50 cents. So I'm very close. But the reason I have not reached it, and I'm not going to, is because of the time that will take me, the value of the coins. So let me just jump there and show you how long I played so far, so we can talk about how much time you need to invest to actually get paid. So I jump to this midsection where you can see my installed apps. And this one I played for around 40 minutes and I've earned a total of 175 points. So let's say I want to earn 200, then I would play maybe an hour in total. So for 200 points. And I would need 5,000 to get paid. I have close to 5,000. I have close to 4,700. But that's because when I joined, I got 5,400 as a joining bonus. This joining bonus might be smaller in some countries. That is usually how it is with apps like this. But what this tells us is that I would maybe need to play another 2 hours minimum to reach the payout threshold. So at that time, I would have played around 3 hours to get paid 50 cents. And that's only because I got a huge joining bonus. So you can also calculate that that means that approximately, of course, depending on where you live and which games you play, that then in the future to reach the payout threshold, I would need to play 10 times that much to get paid. So I would probably have to play like 20 to 30 hours to earn 50 cents. And I've tested a lot of these different playtime apps and none of them really pays a lot, but this is really low rewards for your time and a complete waste of time in my opinion. And I prefer using methods that actually are effective. So that's why I decided to just, after testing it for a bit, I just decide this is just really not worth my time. I will focus on methods that work a lot faster and a lot better. I will also leave a link below so you can find my top recommended ways to earn by playing and also the best ways to earn passive income, because it's kind of also what MoneyTurn offers. So you can check that out below. So to sum it all up, MoneyTurn app is a way to potentially earn by playing and just having your coins staying there. But as you could see, it will take an extreme amount of time. The exact time it will take to earn will vary from country to country. That will the payout threshold, also the payout options, all those. But overall, out of all the playtime apps and ways to earn by playing that I have tested, this is one of the lowest paying ones. And why use one of the lowest paying ones when there are other options? In general, you will not earn huge money by playing, but you should at least get better value than this. As mentioned, I will leave links below to a list I have on my website of the best ways to earn by playing and also the best passive income apps, so you can check that out instead. Those methods are, in my experience, definitely a lot more effective. But many people have asked me about this, so I hope this video helped you. And if it did, then make sure to hit the like button. And also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out next time there's a video with tips and tricks about different ways to make money online.